here we are after 2.5 years.
Same as mine.
After all the changes we had to make, we finally made it to our wedding. I want to say thank you for being the most amazing best friend and person in my life. Thank you for always making me smile.
That's a lot.
Thank you for always making me smile, even when I am on my lowest days.
To Nick and June, I'm so excited to the next chapter of your lives. Married life is wonderful with the right partner, making the journey a lot of fun. All the memories that you will create together and soon with your kids will be one of the best experiences you can ever imagine.
I have known Nick since I was Frank's height, which dates me back to kindergarten. Nick, you're the oldest friend I have, and probably the only friend who I can call my brother. Growing up with you was fun. If I wasn't at your house, you were at mine. To this day, my competitive nature definitely comes from you, because everyone here that knows Nick, he's the most competitive person out there. But although all through that competitive stuff, you always push me to be better. That's what separates Nick from many people. He truly wants everyone to be successful around him, and he's always there for support.
Hi, my love. Well, we are finally here. I love you so much, sweetie. I first wanted to start off by saying thank you. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for caring for me. Thank you for putting up with all my dark moods and all my stress. Thank you for changing my life. And most importantly, thank you for saving my life.
Swear I put up a good fight. I wouldn't rest neither day or night. I won't let you go. Changes everything. It changes everything.
I have lived in the darkness for so long, my conscience and mind traveled through the shadows with no sense of direction and with no light in the horizon. I constantly felt afraid and lost. Besides you, I do not think anyone knew the true extent of my sorrow. However, you came. Whew, that was it. Yes, sir. All right. All right. You came in with your bright smile. This is rough. Loving energy and weird noises. You truly gave me a reason to live and a reason to smile every day. God, that was yeah, I'm not gonna look at her.
Before I end my vow, here are my promises to you. I promise to always honor your passion for anime, games, and sports. I promise to go to Dick's Sporting Goods, flea markets, and malls with you, even just to walk around. I promise to always remember that laughter is life's sweetest creation, and I will never stop laughing with you. Sweetheart, just promise me one thing. Always remember that I will love you forever and always.
Yes. It's good. When I am with you, I feel at peace. I have finally found someone who can comfort me. I am finally not alone. I love you, and I will continue to love you until my last breath. Mic drop. I had to say it and not do it because we cannot put any more money into this wedding. And I know they're watching, so.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to present the newly married Mr. and Mrs. Nicholas and June Wisniewski.
Don't even care if anyone sees me dancing like I can fly, and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
I can't wait for you two to be parents. I can't wait for more cousins for my daughter. And just, I wish both of you the very, very best. I know we don't talk very much, but you already know what it is. I don't need to tell you every day that I love you.
For 6 years, I've seen how both of you grew together and become very strong, not just for yourselves, but as a couple. Even though both of you experience challenges and trials in your relationship, one thing both of you have to remember is how much you fought for your love for one another.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care